This UK heat is an absolute joke. Okay, so I go outside. I immediately get hit with the sun in my eyes. Dead hot. And oh, guess what? I'm going out tomorrow, and it's going to be Thursday. When is Christmas? Santa, where are you? Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Santa Claus, where are you? When is it going to be Thursday? This UK heat is a joke! When can it rain? I want the rain back! Santa Claus, save me! When is December? When is Christmas Day? Where are my candy canes and presents? I hate summer, I just hate it! There's anything good about this summer is my birthday! This UK heat is a joke! 35 degrees! My goddamn phone! What have I done? I'll be arrested! I'm screaming! My throat, my lungs! The things I do for YouTubers!